Let me show you all display settings available on Xiaomi 15T. So we're gonna go to settings, and of course in order to find these display settings we need to go to the display and the brightness. In here of course we have the choice between the light mode and the dark mode, so you can choose whichever you like. And then over here we have the dark mode options, of course, which allows you to create, for example, the automatic dark mode, so we can automatically switch between the light and dark mode based on the selected time. Besides that, we have the screen brightness settings, so you can adjust the screen brightness over here. You can set up the screen brightness to be automatic, and when the automatic screen brightness is off, you can also use the sunlight mode. We have the color scheme option, which allows you to adjust colors on your screen. We have original color, pro, vivid, saturated, and advanced settings, which can be adjusted by tapping on this arrow on the right side. There we go. And of course we have the color temperature set up in here as well. Besides that, the reading mode, which can also be automated by using the schedule. The refresh rate, which can be set to 60 or 120 Hz. We can also choose the default option, which allows you to also use 120 Hz. However, if the battery consumption is higher than usual, then the phone can decrease the refresh rate to 60 Hz. In here we also have the AI image engine section, where we can enable super resolution, which enhances videos, the AI HDR enhancement, and MEMC. Besides that, font theme store, so here we can find a bunch of different fonts that we can get pretty much for, well, maybe not exactly for free in this case, but you can just simply find some fonts over there. And if you go to font settings, you can also choose one of these settings, one of these fonts, I mean, that you already have. And you can also adjust the size of the text, and also in this case, in the case of MI Sans, you can adjust the thickness. And that is pretty much it. This is everything that we have in display and brightness settings. Of course, for more visual personalization, you should go to personalization option. But that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.